Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to compare Roll20 and Foundry. Roll20 is the #1 choice for online tabletop gaming. With over 15 million players using the platform, users can create unlimited free characters for D&D and other games, design and play campaigns on a virtual tabletop, and access the larger library of licensed and converted adventures. It offers a complete digital solutions with character sheets, tokens, rulebooks, dice, and tools to automate tedious tasks. Players can drag and drop monsters, characters, and NPCs, add suspense with dynamic lighting, and upload or choose artwork from the marketplace. Game can be built from scratch, purchased as ready-to-play adventures, or join via the Join Game feature. The platform supports inviting friends, customizing gameplay, and automating mechanics with programming scripts. Everything runs directly in the browser, requiring no downloads, making it easy to start gaming immediately. Now let's what users say about Roll20 on Trustpilot. Common complaints include a steep learning curve for new players, technical glitches, and performance issues such as lag or crashes during gameplay. Some users also find the interface cluttered and challenging to navigate, and the marketplace or automation features can feel complex or unintuitive. While the platform offers powerful tools for character management, virtual tabletop play, and customization, these practical challenges often hinder the overall user experience, leading to mixed or negative reviews despite its popularity in the tabletop gaming community. Foundry offers pioneering software engineered for the creative industries, backed by years of experience in the VFX industry. Every VFX Oscar winner in the past decades has used Foundry tools, which are trusted by the world's top studios and brands. The suite covers virtual production, pre-production, texturing, lighting and compositing, and fishing. Nuke Stage enables VFX artists to participate in the virtual production process, allowing teams to iterate on content from pre to post-production. Flix acts as a centralized hub for animation studios to manage story development. Now with seamless round-tripping, smoother collaboration, and synced workflows, with over 20 years of industry expertise, Foundry's product tackle complex visualization challenges while focusing on speed, quality, and user's experience, saving time so creative teams can bring incredible ideas to life. Let's talk about the pricing, pros and cons, and customer reviews of Roll20. Roll20 offers a free tier, with Plus at $4.99 per month and Pros at $9.99 per month. Its pros include being browser-based, easy to set up, and providing built-in assets along with voice and videos features. However, its cons are that many features are beyond paywall, performance can suffer on large maps, and subscriptions can become costly. Customer reviews indicate it is good for casual play, though some users are frustrated by the platform's limits and outdated UI. Let's talk about the pricing, pros and cons, and customer reviews of Foundry. Foundry VTT offers a one-time $50 license for the GM with optional hosting costs. Its pros include being highly customizable, having strong map and automation tools, and providing long-term value. However, its cons are a steep learning curve, no built-in chat or video, and a setup that requires effort. Customer reviews indicate it is loved for its customization and value, though some users find the setup complex for casual sessions. In my opinion, Roll20 is best for casual, browser-based play with easy setup and built-in features, while Foundry VTT is ideal for users seeking deep customization, advanced automation, and long-term value despite a steeper learning curve. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.